Your phone rings. Unknown number. You answer.
Hi, is this calling about need to confirm? Can you?
And your brain just freezes. You can't see their face. You can't ask them to slow down with your hands. You have 3 seconds to respond before it gets awkward. This is the single scariest moment for English learners. Worse than job interviews. Worse than ordering food. The phone gives you nothing to hold on to. But by the end of this episode, that fear is gone. Every phrase, every situation. Let's fix this right now.
Welcome back to Easy English for Everyone. I'm Sarah.
And I'm James. Still a little shaken from that intro, honestly.
Phone calls really are uniquely stressful, aren't they?
They are. And here's why. When you talk to someone in person, you have their face, their expressions, their hand gestures. On the phone, you have nothing but the voice. No visual clues at all.
That's exactly why we made this episode. Today we are covering everything. Making a call, answering a call, leaving a voicemail, ending a call politely, and, because it's 2026, American texting abbreviations too.
Fair warning. By the end of this episode, you may know more texting abbreviations than my grandmother, and she uses them constantly. It's a problem.
This episode is B1 level. You know English conversationally. Today we make sure that confidence carries over to the phone. Let's get into it. Let's start with making a call. Calling someone, a business, a doctor's office, a friend. What do you say when they pick up?
The opening matters a lot. Let's learn the structure. Step 1, greet them. Step 2, identify yourself. Step 3, say why you're calling.
Let's hear a full example. I'm calling a hair salon to book an appointment. Thank you for calling Bloom Hair Salon. This is Ashley speaking.
Hi, Ashley. My name is James. I'd like to book an appointment for a haircut, please.
Of course! Are you a returning customer or is this your first visit with us?
This is my first time.
Wonderful! Welcome! What day works best for you?
Do you have anything available this Saturday?
Let me check. Yes, we have an opening at 2 p.m. Does that work?
That works perfectly. Thank you.
Great! I have you down for Saturday at 2 p.m. Can I get a phone number in case we need to reach you?
Sure, it's 555-0142.
Perfect, you're all set. See you Saturday.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Let's break that down. Thank you for calling the electronics store. This is Michelle speaking. That's the standard American business greeting. You'll hear it constantly.
In my opening, hi, my name is James. I'd like to book an appointment. Name, then purpose. Short and clear. You don't need a long introduction.
Quick fire round. 3 more calling openers. Ready?
Ready.
I'm calling to ask about.
Great for general questions.
I'm calling regarding my order.
Perfect for customer service.
I'm returning a call from.
For when someone called you first and you're calling back.
Great. All 3 of those work as the purpose step of your call.
Now let's flip it. Answering the phone. What do you say when it's your phone ringing?
For personal calls, friends, family, Americans usually just say, hello, with a rising tone, like a question. That's it. Very simple.
Oh, that's actually my phone. Let me show you. Hello?
Hey, James, it's Sarah. Do you have a minute?
Hey, yeah, I've got a few minutes. What's up?
I just wanted to check if we're still on for dinner Friday.
Yes, still on. Looking forward to it.
Perfect. See you then.
Sounds good. Talk soon.
Simple, right? Do you have a minute is a very polite way to check if someone is free to talk. And still on for dinner means, is the plan still happening?
For business or unknown calls, it's a little different. You might say, hello, this is James. Or if you're at work, James speaking, how can I help you?
Now, important safety note. If you don't recognize the number and answering feels risky, you don't have to answer at all. Let it go to voicemail. You can always call back once you know who it is. This is completely normal behavior for Americans too, not just English learners.
That is honestly a relief to hear. Okay, the big one.
What happens when someone on the phone is talking too fast, or you just don't understand? This is the moment from our hook.
This is completely normal, and there are great phrases for it. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? Could you speak a little slower, please? I'm sorry, could you spell that for me?
I'm sorry, could you...
What are you doing?
I'm doing a bit. That's what it feels like in your brain when you don't understand. Everything freezes and glitches. I call it the phone freeze.
The phone freeze. I love that. Okay, so what do you do when the phone freeze hits?
You use your rescue phrases. Sorry, could you say that again? Could you speak a bit slower, please? My English is still improving. Americans will always slow down for you. Nobody will be upset.
And for phone numbers, addresses, or names, you can always ask them to spell it. Could you spell that for me? Then they will say each letter, sometimes using the phonetic alphabet. S as in Sam, A as in apple.
That phonetic spelling trick is incredibly useful to know exists. Even if you never use it yourself, understanding it helps when someone spells something to you. Quick pause before voicemail.
If phone calls in English have ever stressed you out, and this episode is helping, please subscribe to Easy English for Everyone right now. New practical English episode every single week.
Doctor's offices, job interviews, restaurants, shopping, airports. Real English for real situations.
And share this one specifically with a friend who avoids phone calls in English. We all know someone who does.
Okay, voicemail. The thing nobody teaches you. Let's fix that right now.
Voicemail is one of the most feared parts of phone English because you have one take. No pauses to think, no, wait, let me start over. Just you talking to a recording.
Yes, this is genuinely terrifying. You call someone, they don't answer, and suddenly a robot voice says, "This
Please leave a message after the tone."
beep, and now you have to speak immediately with no plan.
So let's give you a plan. A simple structure that works every single time. 4 parts. Name, reason for calling, callback information, goodbye.
Let's hear a complete natural voicemail. Hi, this is James Miller calling for Dr. Chen's office. I'm calling to reschedule my appointment on Thursday. Something came up and I need to move it to a different day. You can reach me at 555-0142. Thanks so much. Looking forward to hearing back. Bye.
Perfect structure. Hi, this is Judy calling for the clothing store. Then the reason. I'm calling to, then the callback number. You can reach me at, then a polite close. Thanks. Looking forward to hearing back.
And here's the secret nobody tells you. You can actually prepare this in advance. If you know you might get voicemail, write down your message before you call, even just a few key words. Then when the beep happens, you're not improvising, you're reading your notes.
That's such a good tip.
It completely removes the panic. I do this all the time, even in my native language, honestly.
Now, ending a call politely. This matters more than people think. Just hanging up abruptly can feel rude in American culture.
There's usually a little closing ritual before an American ends a call. A few common phrases signal that the call is wrapping up.
Well, I should let you go. This means, I know you're busy, I don't want to take more of your time. Very polite, very common.
It was great talking to you. A warm way to close, especially with friends or after a good conversation.
I'll talk to you soon, or talk to you later. Very casual closings for friends and family.
Let's hear the full ending, start to finish, in 5 seconds.
Okay, well, I should let you go. It was great catching up. Talk soon. Bye.
Perfect 5-second exit. Save that one. Okay, texting time. This is where things get fun and slightly ridiculous.
American texting culture uses a lot of abbreviations, shortened versions of words and phrases to type faster. Let's go through the most useful ones.
LOL, LOL, laughing out loud. Used when something is funny, though honestly, people use it even for mildly amusing things, not just hilarious ones.
BRB, be right back. used when you need to step away from a conversation for a moment.
OMW, on my way. Someone asks where you are. You text back OMW, meaning you are currently traveling to meet them.
Okay, quick round. I say the abbreviation, you say what it means. Ready?
Ready.
ASAP.
As soon as possible.
NVM.
Never mind.
IDK.
I don't know.
TBH.
To be honest,
IMO.
in my opinion,
Perfect! You just learned 5 abbreviations in about 15 seconds.
a couple more important ones. FYI, for your information. Use when sharing something someone should know. FYI, the meeting moved to 3 p.m.
And ETA, estimated time of arrival. What's your ETA means when will you arrive? Very common when meeting someone. My ETA is 10 minutes.
And one more, a slightly different one. K. Just the letter K. It means okay. Very short, very casual. Some people think it sounds a little cold if used alone. Okay. Or okay. Feels warmer than just K.
Quiz time! 7 questions covering everything. Calls, voicemail, and texting.
Let's go.
Question 1. You call a business. They answer with, "Thank you for calling Sunrise Dental. This is Maria speaking." What is a good way to start your response?
Hi Maria, my name is, your name. I'd like to book an appointment. Greeting, name, purpose. That structure always works.
Question 2. Your phone rings. It's a friend calling. How do you answer?
Hello. Simple, casual, with a rising tone, like a question. That's all you need for a personal call.
Question 3. Someone on the phone is speaking too fast and you can't understand. What do you say?
I'm sorry, could you speak a little slower, please? Always polite, always respected. Nobody will be upset that you asked.
Question 4. You call your doctor's office, but nobody answers. You hear, "Please leave a message after the tone." You need to reschedule your appointment. What's the structure of your voicemail?
Name, then reason, then callback info, then polite close. Hi, this is Steve calling for Dr. Moore's office. I need to reschedule my appointment. You can reach me at 555-8972. Thanks, looking forward to hearing back.
Question 5. You've been on a call with a friend for a while and you need to go. What's a polite way to end the call?
Well, I should let you go. It was great talking to you. Talk soon. Warm, polite, and clear that the call is ending.
Question 6. Your friend texts, "Running late, ETA 15 minutes, will explain later. IMO traffic today is insane." Can you understand this text?
Yes, ETA 15 minutes equals I'll arrive in 15 minutes. IMO equals in my opinion. So the full meaning, I'm running late, I'll arrive in 15 minutes. I'll explain later. In my opinion, the traffic today is really bad.
And question 7, the challenge. You need to leave a voicemail for a company about a late delivery. You don't know exactly what to say and you're worried about freezing up. What is your strategy before you even call?
Write it down first. Prepare your voicemail script in advance. Name, reason, callback number, closing, even just a few key words on paper. Then, when the beep happens, you read from your notes instead of improvising under pressure. This removes almost all the anxiety.
Final review. I say it, James gives the meaning. Fast round.
Ready?
Do you have a minute?
Are you free to talk right now?
Could you spell that for me?
Please tell me the letters one by one.
Voicemail structure.
Name, reason, callback number, polite close.
I should let you go.
A polite way to end a call.
A-S-A-P.
As soon as possible.
E-T-A.
Estimated time of arrival. When will you get there?
F-Y-I.
For your information.
And the most important tip of the whole episode?
Write your voicemail down before you call. It removes the panic completely.
And that is your complete guide to phone English.
Honestly, I feel so much better about phone calls now, and I already speak English fluently. Imagine how much this helps when you're still learning.
Today you learned how to make a call, answer a call, ask for clarification, leave a voicemail, end a call politely, and read American texting abbreviations.
Here's my challenge for you this week. Make one phone call in English. It doesn't have to be complicated. Call a restaurant to ask their hours, or call a store to ask if they have something in stock. Low stakes, real practice.
And if you get nervous, remember the phone freeze trick. Write your key phrases down before you dial. There is zero shame in having notes.
I still do it. Every native speaker has, at some point, written down what they're going to say before an important call.
Our next episode is going to be about expressing emotions and feelings in English, going beyond happy and sad to describe exactly how you feel. Really fun episode coming up.
Subscribe so you don't miss it, and leave us a comment. Tell us about a phone call in English that went well, or one that was a little rough. We've all been there.
We read every single comment. Thank you so much for listening to Easy English for Everyone.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. OMW to record the next episode.
There it is, full circle.